Hello students, this is 1.40. A particle moves along an arc of a circle of radius r according to the law L equal to a sin omega t, where L is displacement from the initial position measured along the arc and a omega are constants. Assuming r equal to 1.00 meter, a equal to 0.80 meter, omega is 2 radian per second, find the magnitude of total acceleration of the particle at the points 0 and L बराबर plus minus a. Second part, the minimum value of total acceleration W minimum and the corresponding displacement. These are two problems for this problem. So सबसे पहले पार्टिकल के पाथ को कंसीडर करते हैं. मान लीजिए पार्टिकल इस सर्कुलर ट्रैक पे रोटेट कर रहा है. A particle moves along an arc of a circle of radius r. The radius of the circle is given as r. According to the law, L equal to a sin omega t. The law on the basis of which this motion takes place is L equal to a sin omega t. L is displacement from the initial position measured along the arc. It means it is like distance in magnitude form. A and omega are constants. Assuming r, a and omega as given, find magnitude of total acceleration on these three points. It is 0 plus a and minus a, and minimum value of total acceleration and corresponding displacement. तो इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले आप कंसीडर करें कि पार्टिकल का जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट है आर्क के अलोंग वो L equal to a sin omega t फॉर्मूले से गिवन है. Then clearly if we differentiate this one once or twice, we can obtain the velocity of the particle at acceleration. So on differentiating dl by dt equal to a omega cos omega t, differentiation आप clearly जानते हैं. So velocity of the particle will be a omega cos omega t, and again differentiating this, dv by dt will be equal to a omega square sin omega t with negative sign. And we know that this is tangential acceleration. So tangential acceleration of the particle is minus a omega square sin omega t. This is tangential acceleration of the particle. Tangential acceleration of the particle is minus a omega square sin omega t. This is tangential acceleration of the particle. This is velocity of the particle. And we know that normal radical centripetal acceleration of the particle is v square by r. R is radius. So on putting the value of terms in this equation, we get a square omega square cos square omega t by r. This is centripetal acceleration. So particles accelerations are there. अब पार्टिकल का सेंट्रिपिटल एक्सेलरेशन भी हमें मालूम है, टेंजेंशियल एक्सेलरेशन भी हमें मालूम है. सो टोटल एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द पार्टिकल इज obtained by Pythagorean summation of these two. So it would be square of this plus square of this under root. It means a square omega to the power 4 sin square omega t total acceleration. A total, this is a tangential and this is a total. A total is a tangential square plus a centripetal square under root. इससे पहले भी कई प्रॉब्लम्स में हमने टोटल एक्सप्रेशन कैलकुलेट किया है. देन इट इज a square omega 4 sin square omega t plus a4 omega 4 cos to the power 4, it is cos to the power 4 omega t divided by r square and root of that. Total acceleration is under root of this. So total acceleration of the particle is square of this plus a square of this under root, and the expression will be like this. So total acceleration of the particle at equal to a is common, omega square is also common, and inside under root we will get sin square omega t plus cos to the power 4 omega t by r square. This is the value of total acceleration. Now the question is the magnitude of total acceleration of the particle at the point L equal to 0 and L equal to plus minus. So at L equal to 0, L equal to 0, by this equation we see that L is a sin omega t. L is a sin omega t. So this equation can be converted to L also. So first we will change this equation in terms of a, in terms of L, sorry. This will become omega square root of a square sin square omega t plus a square by r square, and this cos to the power 4 omega t is 1 minus sin square omega t whole square. Cos to the power 4 is 1 minus sin square omega t whole square. Now if we take L as a sin omega t, this equation will be converted to omega square, and this part is L square and plus 1 by r square and if we take a inside, if we take a inside square root, it will become, no, it is not, 1a is common, sorry, there is a square also in this equation, and now if we take this a inside, this will become a to the power 4. थोड़ा सा यहाँ mistake हुआ है. Then plus 1 by r square. Now take a square inside, you will get a square minus l square whole square, like this. This part will be l square and this is 1 by r square, a square whole square, 1 minus sin square omega t whole square. Then this will be a square minus a square sin square omega t. अगर हम इसे a square whole square कंसिडर करें, a square whole square, then दोनों के स्क्वायर को कॉमन कंपाइल करा के ये बन जाएगा a square minus a square sin square omega t, and a sin omega t is so it is a square minus l square whole square. Now at l equal to 0, at l equal to 0, at l equal to 0, this will become at is omega square under root, this part will be 0, this is 0, so this will be a4 by r square, and on taking outside under root, it will be r square omega square a square by r, and at l barabar plus minus a, at l equal to plus minus a, we can take plus a minus a together because this is a square term, there is no need to take plus or minus in this. So if we put l equal to a, then total acceleration of the particle will become omega square under root of, this part will be a square and this will become 0, it is a omega, and this on taking this will become 0, it is a omega square. So this is acceleration at l equal to plus minus a, it means at extremes, because this equation is the equation of SHM. आगे हम SHM की प्रॉब्लम्स पर डिस्कस करेंगे. तो ये पार्टिकल SHM मोशन कर रहा है, देन इसका एक्सेलरेशन इसके एक्सट्रीम्स पर ओमेगा स्क्वायर है और इसके मीन पोजीशन पे ओमेगा स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर बाय r है. So these are accelerations. Now the minimum value of total acceleration and corresponding displacement. For getting this, first take a square on both the sides. Then this equation will become at square will be omega 4 and l square plus a square minus l square whole square by r square. This will be the format of equation, and this at square can be written in a new word as y, suppose. Then y will be omega 4 l square plus this l square plus a square minus l square whole square by r square. Now the question is the minimum value of total acceleration corresponding displacement. So for getting minimum value, जैसा हम हमेशा करते हैं, मैक्सिमा मिनिमा यूज किया जाता है. So differentiate this equation with respect to L. This will be dy by dl equal to omega 4, and this part is 2L plus 1 by r square, and differentiation of this will be 2a square minus l square and minus 2L further. And now on comparing this to equal 0, if we compare this part equal to 0, we will get omega 4, 2L is common from both, and this part will be 1 minus 2 over r square and a square minus l square equal to 0. Implies that either L is 0 or 1 equal to 2 by r square a square minus l square. So this implies r square by 2 equal to a square minus l square, and implies that l square equal to a square minus r square by 2. L is root of this plus minus. So this is the value of L where minima will be obtained. वैसे मिनिमा कैलकुलेट करने के लिए एक बार डिफरेंशिएट करके जो वैल्यू आती है डबल डिफरेंशिएशन में उसको चेक भी करना चाहिए, बट वी नो दैट द प्रॉब्लम इज टू फाइंड द मिनिमम, दैट इट वुड बी मिनिमम. आप चेक कर सकते हैं मैथमेटिकली डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एल स्क्वायर कैलकुलेट करके. अगर आप एल की ये वैल्यू उसमें रखें तो जिस वैल्यू के लिए मिनिमा आना होगा उस वैल्यू पर आप इस फंक्शन को मिनिमा डिफाइन करेंगे. जिस वैल्यू के लिए ये टर्म नेगेटिव है, पॉजिटिव है, सॉरी डी वाई बाई डी एल के बाद आप डबल डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एल स्क्वायर. डबल डिफरेंशिएशन करने पर जिस एल की वैल्यू के लिए ये टर्म पॉजिटिव आ जाए उस एल पर ये मिनिमा होगा. सो दिस विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ एल and corresponding value of a minimum. For getting this, put this value of L in this equation or in this equation, then at will be ओमेगा स्क्वायर और एल की ये वैल्यू आप इसमें अप्लाई करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर। सो आप एक प्रॉब्लम खुद सॉल्व कर लें कि एल की ये वैल्यू जो करस्पॉन्डिंग एल मिनिमम आया है, एल एम आया है, ये हमारा एल एम का वैल्यू है, इस एल एम की वैल्यू को आप पुट करें इस इक्वेशन में। तो एल एम की वैल्यू को पुट करके आपको टेंजेंशियल टोटल एक्सेलरेशन की मिनिमम वैल्यू इसको आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। बस एल एम की वैल्यू अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर माइनस आर स्क्वायर बाई 2 यहाँ पर आपको अप्लाई करनी है। एल एम इतना है, इसका स्क्वायर अंडर रूट फ्री होगा, तो आपको केवल एल स्क्वायर को यहाँ पर पुट करना है। कुछ ऐसी पिक्चर सामने आएगी। कैसा बनेगा एक्सप्रेशन देखें, ए टी विल बी ओमेगा स्क्वायर अंडर रूट ऑफ L square. It is a square minus r square by 2. Only this, because there will no root. We can take the value of L square directly. So Lm is this. So square of this will be free from under root. It is a square minus r square by 2 plus 1 by r square. And this a square minus L square can be taken as r square by 2 directly from here. So it is r square by 2 whole square. So on solving this, we will get omega square and a square minus r square by 2 plus r square by 4. So solve this part and get the answer. This is total acceleration of the particle. So in this problem we should calculate a tangential and centripetal first for getting the total acceleration. Then convert this expression in terms of length. And this is easy to convert क्योंकि a sin omega t को आप L से replace कर सकते हैं. Then this is the expression which is in terms of L, the value of at in terms of L. फिर जो L की वैल्यू उस पर आपको acceleration total कैलकुलेट करना है, L की वो वैल्यू पुट करें, total acceleration कैलकुलेट होगा. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन है कि corresponding displacement where minimum value of total acceleration will be achieved. So differentiate this expression of at and get the corresponding value of L. And then